This video is for you if you're looking to make money over at Warrior Plus. Today, yesterday, this month, in the last 30 days, over 10K. There's a link in the description. It's going to take you over to a bonus page where you can get access to Warrior Affiliate and finally be approved and get guaranteed access to top converting affiliate offers over at Warrior Plus. This is only $1. You're going to get access to this training right here, Warrior Plus Affiliate. 6 modules to include a module in here that lets you get guaranteed approval to Kevin Fahey. That's the creator of Warrior Affiliate, Kevin Fahey. You can see he's got a few badges over at Warrior Plus. He does pretty well. I've included a bonus myself. This is my profile over at Warrior Plus. I got a couple badges too, a few badges. And my bonus is built on my affiliating profitable online business. Step number 5, bonus 10x your money. Following my proven top strategy of traffic to an offer to add people to an email list, I want to focus on this. So I created the bonus Black Magic, a prompt framework for Warrior Plus, powered by my prompt PsyOps philosophy. What this is going to allow you to do is you're going to get the PDF right here, the bonus Black Magic PDF. You're going to load this up and you're going to use one prompt that's inside the PDF to jumpstart this right here inside of AI. So when you get approved to be an affiliate for that $1 for those products over at Warrior Plus, this is going to allow you to start building your Warrior Plus bonus stack per the framework, the prompt PsyOps framework inside of my bonus Black Magic framework, using my set the stage framework. Sales intel, experience and evidence, tension and truth gaps. This is all going to make sense to you. And all you need to do is provide this information or let the AI give you the information. And then all you need to do then is load the framework and continue the conversation. I have a complete video that walks you through using this framework. Again, the bonus Black Magic, a prompt framework for Warrior Plus, powered by Prompt PsyOps. There's a link in the description. It'll take you over to my bonus page. But the point of this video is, if you want guaranteed approval, Warrior Affiliate, link in the description, it's $1. It's going to get you where you want to be today, yesterday, this month, and then in the next 30 days, you're going to be exactly where you want to be, promoting products over at Warrior Plus as an affiliate. Link in the description. Grab my bonus. Pick up Affiliate Warrior for $1. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.